How to add music to Instagram story without losing quality. So if you want to add music to your Instagram story without losing quality, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Instagram application. Once you open up your Instagram, now you need to go with the bottom right, which has that profile option. Go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And now you need to scroll down and you need to find an option of cellular data settings or a data saver option. So just scroll down and here you will have data usage and media quality. So tap on the option and here you will have data saver, right? Make sure that your data saver is turned off and upload at highest quality option is turned on. Now once you've done, now you need to go back and go with the bottom middle, which has that plus option, and tap on story and then take a story or a photo, a video, anything that you would like to post on your story. And after that, tap on your story, which is on the bottom left, or go with the arrow, which is on the bottom right, and upload that on your story. Or if you want to add music, then just simply go with music, which is on the top right, and then add any music that you're comfortable with. Go with done, which is on the top right, and that's it. You can post it. That's how you can add music to your Instagram story without losing quality. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.